It's another beautiful day. Yeah, I know it is. No, because it has a voice trumpet today. Yeah, I know what it is. Seems like it. Because it wasn't in the Palooza. Not Palooza, it's Plaza. Oh, right. Hey, what's that? That's a voice trumpet. What it says? It's a voice trumpet. That's like Teletubbies. Eh. What did it say? Oh my gosh! Song is terrible! Let's get out of here!